Now we will discuss the MCQs of your chapter. So the first MCQ is, reproduction is very important to the survival of species, individual, population, both A and B. The right option है option A, species. Second है, in plant, photoperiod and temperature effect, flowering, bud and seed dormancy, fruits and seed production, all of above. The right option है option D, all of above. Third है, developing seed are rich source of auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins, all of above. The right option है option D, all of above. Fourth है, common method of asexual reproduction are tissue culturing, identical twin, cloning, all of above. The right option है option D, all of above. Fifth है, photoperiod affect the flowering when shoot meristers start producing. Option A, flowering bud, leaves, lateral bud, both A and C. The right option है option A, flower buds. इसके साथ ही हमारे MCQs complete हो गए. In the next video we will discuss the short questions.